Suppose the list is 10. Output list would be is into empty. Then for variable in input list modulus to 0, output list dot append of var. If I execute this, okay, I haven't printed it. If I print output list, yeah, there you go. You can find even numbers out of the input list. So now let us consider doing it using list comprehension. The already list is given. Output list is so remember guys, for square bracket are necessary for it. For var in list 1, if var modulus to 0, print output list. I'll just delete all the above code and try to run it. There you go, the same answers, but as you can see, if I just undo here, see, it took very less lines when compared to using for loops. Yes guys, thank you. Keep the same energy and passion. Okay guys, this is all I have got here. For complete Python developer course from beginner to expert, check the link in the description below. Look into the course description and the content of the course. If you find the course add value to your career, then enroll for it. Remember, what you do today defines your future. Thank you.